the 2025 Skoda Laura has made a comeback with a modern twist, blending European engineering with sleek design and updated tech, making it one of the most anticipated sedans in its segment this year. In this 3-minute video, we'll break down its main components and provide an overview of its pricing for viewers considering this stylish yet practical choice. Starting with the exterior, the new Laura features a bold front grille, signature LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that reflect both elegance and sportiness. The redesigned 17-inch alloy wheels and a more aggressive bumper styling add to its premium appeal. The overall design remains true to Skoda's philosophy: sharp, clean, and dynamic. Under the hood, the 2025 Skoda Laura comes with two engine options, a 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine producing 150 horsepower, and a 2.0-litre TDI diesel engine with 143 horsepower. Both engines offer excellent fuel efficiency and come mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The ride quality is smooth with well-tuned suspension that offers a good balance between comfort and performance. Inside the cabin, the Laura gets a major tech overhaul. A 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and ventilated front seats add to the luxurious experience. High-quality soft-touch materials, along with a spacious rear seat with ample legroom, make it ideal for long journeys. Safety features are top-notch with up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, escape, hill hold control, and a 360-degree camera. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking are available in the top variant. In terms of pricing, the base variant of the 2025 Skoda Laura starts at approximately a superscript 118 lakhs ex-showroom, while the top-end variant with all the bells and whistles goes up to a superscript 124 lakhs. Optional packages like the Sportline trim or the LK Luxury Edition can add another a superscript 1.5 2 lakhs depending on customizations. All in all, the 2025 Skoda Laura is a well-rounded sedan that offers premium styling, solid performance, modern features, and great value for money. Whether you're a city commuter or a long-distance cruiser, the Laura stands out as a smart and stylish choice.